ರಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ನನಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಚರಣೆ
ಸುತ್ತ
ಅದೇನು ಟವಲಿಗೆ
ತೊಳಿ
ಏನು
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಪಾಪ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಂದಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಬದಲಾಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. ಈಗ ಬೈಜೂಸಿಂದ ನೀನೇ ಓದ್ಕೋತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದೀಯಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್.
ಈಗ ನೋಡು
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 9:30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಗಬ್ಬೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬೈಜೂಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ನೌ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟ ಇದೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಶೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಟಿವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ ತಗೊಂಬ ಓಡೋದು
ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಕ್ತ
ಅಂದೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡು.
ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ನಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ
ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಂದೆ
ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂದ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ಫೈರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ
Chandan, unmute yourself and tell me the screen is visible and audible. Chandan, Karthik, Prathamesh.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Prathamesh. Chandan, screen is visible and audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. All of you, please write down module 4, welding. Module 4, welding. What is the definition of welding? Say, all of you studied the joining process in second semester. There you studied the arc welding, TIG, MIG, gas welding, soldering, brazing, and arc welding. So in this chapter, you study the different types of arc welding processes and again special welding processes. So in the definition of welding, first you write down welding. Welding is process of, write down the definition. Welding is the process of joining two materials comma, similar or dissimilar. Welding is the process of joining two materials, comma, similar or dissimilar by the application of heat, with or without the application of pressure, and addition of filler metal. Underline the complete definition. Keep the definition in inverted commas. Underline the complete sentence. Once again, what is the welding definition? The welding definition is joining of two materials made by similar or dissimilar metal, and you can use heat or without heat, or you can use pressure or without pressure, and you can apply the filler metal into the joint, or without the filler metal, you join two workpieces or two components by welding process. That is nothing but joining of two materials, whether it may be similar or dissimilar, or application of the heat and application of the pressure and application of the filler metal into the joint. So like that you make the joint. Say in some welding process, you can make the joint molecular level. Just understand. Say metal A, metal B, you are joining by arc welding process. You can bring the metal into molecular level so that you can make the strong same type of structural joint in the arc welding process. Usually arc welding process is used for ferrous metals, cast iron, stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, like that. Lot of materials are available. You can join the metals by using arc welding process. Next, you write down all metals and alloys can be welded. All metals and alloys can be welded. So meaning of this sentence is any metal or any alloy that can be welded easily. Any metal. And sometimes you can weld the metal with the non-metal, or sometimes you can weld the rubber with the metal, and like that you have lot of applications. Next, you write down the materials to be joined. Are held in contact together. And the required energy is applied mainly in the form of heat. This heat fuses or joins the material and on cooling the joint solidifies. Full stop. The joint formed is called welded joint. The joint formed is called welded joint. Underline the words welded joint. Full stop. The heat is the main source of energy Heat is the main source of energy, comma, which can be obtained by electricity, comma, gas or chemical reaction or fabrication. See, all of you observe here, listen here. This is very, very important. Say, in welding process, the main factor is heat. How do you get the heat? That's the first question. So heat can be obtained, or you can use, the heat can be produced by using electrical current or gas. All of you observed gas welding, oxyacetylene gas welding, chemical reaction, aluminum oxide and silica, Al2O3. So that's used in thermic welding. And friction. Say in friction welding, first component is held in stationary condition, other component is fixed to the vibrating machine, so that the friction in the component between the two components of made of metal, that friction is maximum enough to produce the heat to fuse the two components. That's the friction welding. And also they use some special welding process, electron beam welding, laser welding, and other many types of welding processes are available. Depending upon the application, you can use the welding process. One more thing, say all of you seen the ship, boat, cruise. How do you weld the joint if something happens to the bottom of the ship? So for that, the special welding process is available. That's called underwater welding. Underwater welding that you study in later in 8th semester if you take the special manufacturing process. So in that subject you study the underwater welding. Now once again, the welding is the process of joining similar or dissimilar metal, application of the heat, or with or without application of the pressure and the filler metal. So this is the definition of the welding process. And one more thing, how do you get the heat? The heat can be produced by electrical current or gas, that's oxyacetylene torch or oxyacetylene flame. And next, chemical reaction, aluminum oxide used in thermic welding, and friction, vibrating the component to bring the component together in the vibration condition, so that friction between the two components is maximum enough to produce the heat to fuse the two metal. And one more thing, you may have this question in the competitive examination. Welding is a fabrication process. Remember, in your lifetime, welding is a fabrication process. Underline the sentence. Welding is a fabrication process. Next, write down. Next, write down some question papers. You have a question on least advantages, disadvantages or limitations and application of welding process. All of you write down first advantages. First write down advantages. Underline that, put a colon. First, number one advantage of welding process. Number one, any metal bar alloy / alloy, any metal / alloy can be welded. Meaning of this sentence is, advantage is, you can weld any type of metal, similar or dissimilar metal or alloy. Next line, write down number two. The any shape of the component any shape of the component can be generated. Any shape of the component can be generated. Say in structural work or aesthetic look work and any application, you can join two metals, you can produce any shape, size and dimension is possible. Next line, right now. Number 3, strength of the joint will be the same as that of the base metal, Meaning of this advantage is the joint is so strong, the same type of structure is possible in the joint, whether it may be BCC or FCC or any type of whether it may be BCC, FCC. In base metal, suppose you have BCC structure in base metal, the same type of BCC structure in the joint as is also possible. Next line, right on number 4. The joint can be produced at molecular level. Joints can be produced at molecular level. Next, write down. Next line, write down disadvantages or limitations. Say, you consider any process or any assembly process or manufacturing process or fashioning process. You have advantages, disadvantages, and limitations. In welding also, you have advantage, disadvantage, and limitations. Some question paper, you have a question on list the advantage and limitations of the welding process. For that, you write down this much. Number 1, harmful radiation and fumes, FUMES, fumes may be generated. Harmful radiation and fumes may be generated during the welding process. For this sentence or disadvantage or limitations, all of you seen the arc welding. Arc welding produces the sparks and arc. So if you observe the arc with your naked eye, what will happen? Which will damage the retina of your eye permanently. See, that's the major disadvantage of using arc welding. Remember, in your lifetime, if you see the arc in arc welding process with the naked eye, which damage the retina of your eye, for that reason, you have to use the shield or block goggle or block color eye shield. Otherwise, it will damage the retina of your eyes, which damages the retina and you lose the eyesight permanently. For that reason, the radiation of the arc is very, very dangerous for human being. That's one disadvantage of arc welding process. And fumes. All of you seen in gas welding, oxygen and acetylene used. Burning of these two, you will get the flame. That flame produces the gas that is very dangerous to human being. From that, you may have the breathing problem, which may lead to the disease called asthma and other diseases. So that's also limitation, or this you can say the disadvantage. The radiation of the arc welding and the fumes of the gas burning in gas welding process, these two are disadvantages of using arc welding and gas welding process. Residual stresses may be set up in welded joint. Say if the joint is more than 10 millimeter or 25 millimeter, then there may be a residual stress because of you are heating the joint up to molecular level. The joint or the end of the workpiece to be joint becomes liquid, and there may be some stresses generated in the joint. So that is the drawback or a disadvantage of arc welding process. Next, skilled operator may be required. Say for any joining process, you cannot join as it is. You have to prepare the end. You can make the trapezoidal end or inclined end so that you can fill the gap, fill the joint with the filler metal. So for that reason, the operator with experience can do only that type of joint. Without experience, it is not possible. For that reason, skilled operator may be required for welding process. Next, you write down number 4. The structure of the weld portion will differ from parent metal. Write down structure of the weld portion. Structure of the weld portion will differ from parent metal. As I told you earlier, you can join the component, you can go to the molecular level. That's one advantage. But the thing is different. But the thing is disadvantage. Say you will not get the same type of filler metal as you have in the base metal. You are using the filler metal may be made of mild steel, or sometimes the special alloy steel or alloy steel, low carbon steel. But you have different metal in the base metal. For that reason, you will not have the same structure in the welded joint. Suppose you have FCC in the base metal, you may have BCC in the joint. So that's the structure of the weld portion will differ from parent metal. Next line, write down applications. Next line, write down applications. Underline that, put a colon. Say without welding process or joining process, there is no life at all. You can consider anything in your house, anything in the college, or anything in the lab, or anything in the workshop, or anything in the machine shop. You need welding process, or you are using two-wheeler or four-wheeler or truck or bus. Everywhere you require the welding process. That's the application of welding process. It is the vast assembling process or fabrication process, so that you can produce any component, any shape, any size is possible. That is the application of welding process. Next, you write down application. Fabrication of aircraft, comma, spacecraft, comma, automobile components, comma, bridges, joining of railway tracks, joining of railway tracks, comma, reinforced structure, RCC structure, RCC structures, comma, grills, GRILLS. All of you seen nowadays the stainless steel tubes, pipes, and other components are used for making of grills. Joining of structures, put a comma, grills, comma, ships, comma, pressure vessel, pipes. You have many more application. As you remember, in the examination, you write minimum 10 applications in the examination. Now, write down a question. What is welding? What is welding? Put a question mark. List the advantages. List the advantages, comma, disadvantages bar limitations. Disadvantages bar limitations and applications. Many question paper, you have this question in the examination. If you have this question in the exam, write the first definition. Definition is nothing but welding is the process of joining similar, dissimilar metal by the application of heat with or without the pressure and using filler metal is called welding. And for heating purpose, the heat can be produced by using electrical current, gas, friction, and chemical reaction. So this much you write in the examination for this question. Next, write down very, very important. Very, very important. How do you classify the welding process? Now write down welding classification. Welding classification. Write down classification of welding process. Underline that. Next, you write down the block diagram or flow diagram like this. Write down first welding classification. Show the arrow mark and show the two arrows like this. First, in the left side, write down fusion welding. Fusion welding. Right side, write down pressure welding. Fusion, the name itself indicates fuse the edges, fuse the ends of the workpieces to be joined and make the ends for fusion purpose by the application of heat or by the application of chemical reaction. You can fuse the joint, fusion, joining, that is making the liquid of the joint and join the two components. Then divide this fusion welding into three arrow marks like this. put a horizontal line, show 3 downward arrows. First one, write down gas welding. Second one, write down arc welding. Third one, write down thermic welding. Say the fusion welding is classified into three types of welding process. First one, gas welding. All of you see the oxyacetylene gas torch is used for gas welding. That is the gas of oxygen and acetylene. The arc welding, say different types of arc welding processes are available. The flux coated electrodes are used for arc welding. First, create the arc between the workpiece and the electrode. That arc has the maximum heat, which produces the heat which fuse the ends of the workpiece. Next, come to the point, thermic welding. All of you seen the railway tracks. There they use the chemicals for joining of railway tracks. In this, they use silica along with the aluminum oxide and some chemicals. If you burn that chemical, that produces maximum amount of heat that fuse the two ends of the railway track of I section. All of you seen the I section. Next, come to the point. This arc welding, again, this is classified into three types. Put a arrow mark below the arc welding and write down first downward arrow, manual arc welding. Say all of you see the arc welding process in the workshop or outside in the workshop or in somewhere else. You've seen the welding process is carried out manually by holding the electrode in hand with the electrode holder and creating the arc between the work and the electrode. From the arc, you fuse the two components. Next, in some components, all of us in nowadays, the stainless steel fabrication process, they use argon, helium, or neon gas is shielded the joint in order to avoid contamination and oxidation of the joint. For that, they use gas or inert gas like argon, neon, helium used as the gas in the gas shielded welding. Next, come to the point, another classification of arc welding, automatic flux shielded arc welding. So here also, the electrode is covered with the flux and the electrode is used for welding process. The name itself indicates flux shield. The iron oxide and the beryllium mixture is used as the coating on the electrode. So in this, the automatic flux shield electrode welding. See, the electrodes are available, bare electrodes, simple electrodes are available in the form of rod or in the form of coil. The process is automatic. So if you have the continuous welding process. This is the fusion classification of fusion welding process. Next, come to the point in the right side, pressure welding. So as in the definition I told you, the application of heat and using with or without the pressure. So here the pressure welding, now write down pressure welding. The classification of pressure welding into three types: forge welding, gas pressure welding, resistance welding. Forge welding. See, all of you seen our smithy shop, you can forge the component by heating the component below the recrystallization temperature. You can forge by the application of hammer or application of hydraulic pressure, or you can use any type of pressure. You can forge or you can join the component. Gas pressure. So here also the gas, oxyacetylene or some type of gas is used for pressure welding. And the resistance welding. So all of you seen the almirah in your house and treasury and sheet metal joining process, they carry the resistance welding. Again, the resistance welding is divided into 3 or 4 types. Spot welding. You might have seen today itself, you see the joint in your house in the almirah, there will be a spot, circular spot is there. So then what is the principle behind the spot welding? That is nothing but the resistance of the metal is used as the heat generator for welding of the spot. This is particularly used for fabrication of almirah and furniture. Seam welding. If you want to join the two sheets continuously from one point to the other point or end to the end, the seam welding is used. Butt welding. So joining of two thin sheets up to 10 millimeter thickness to ends, but the name itself indicates butt welding. So this is very, very important. Resistance welding is classified into spot welding, seam welding, and butt welding. In many question paper, they ask the question, explain welding classification. Explain briefly the welding classification. Write down the question. Explain briefly the welding classification. Welding classification. Welding classification. Now you write down the detailed classification of welding processes are, put a colon. Detailed classification of welding processes are, underline that. First, write down gas welding. Below that, write down air acetylene welding. As in the process, now you have seen the oxyacetylene gas is used, oxygen and acetylene. Air also used for welding process. For that reason, write down air-acetylene welding. And of hydrogen and oxygen is also used for welding process. Write down oxy-hydrogen welding. Oxy-hydrogen welding. Next, you write down oxyacetylene welding. Underline this. You have this in your syllabus. You have to study the oxyacetylene welding. I think you have already studied in the second semester. This semester, you don't have the oxyacetylene welding. Next, you write down, put an asterisk mark, pressure gas welding. Using oxygen, acetylene or hydrogen, you can produce the joint by the application of pressure. In some components, you require the pressure to join two components. Next, come to the point, write down arc welding. Arc welding, underline that. Write down one by one. Carbon arc welding. The carbon rods are available. From that, they create arc welding. You might have seen in conventional method of projection of film on the screen, they burn carbon rods. From that, they get the arc which has the light that is used for projecting the film on the screen. That is same type of process used for welding process. That's called carbon arc welding. Next, shielded metal arc welding. Say all of you seen the welding rod. You have the coating on the welding rod. That is beryllium and iron oxide is coated on the welding rod. The gray color or cement color coating is present on the mild steel rod. Flux cored arc welding. Flux cored arc welding, the same thing. The submerged arc welding. The complete joining process is submerged with the flux. That's called submerged arc welding. Next, you go TIG welding. This is very, very important. TIG and MIG, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding. Say they use the noble gas, the inert gas like argon, helium, neon, used for gas welding process in order to avoid the contamination or oxidation of the joint. Plasma arc. The arc is developed between the workpiece and the electrode. The plasma is created. Electroslag welding. That's the same thing. The electroslag welding. Stud arc welding. Say in the electroslag welding, stud arc welding, they use the electrode, special type of electrode for welding process. Next, come to the point. Resistance welding. Underline that. Write down in uppercase letter. Resistance welding. Below that, write down number 1, spot welding. Number 2, projection welding. Number 3, flash welding. Number 4, high frequency resistance welding. Next, number 5, resistance butt welding. Once again, the resistance welding, the resistance is created between the components by electrical current. You have the relationship Q equal to I squared RT. I is the current, R is the resistance, T is the time. Using that relationship, they create the resistance and produces the heat. That heat is utilized for joining of two sheets that may be spot, that may be seam, that may be butt. Resistance welding. Next, write down solid state welding. Solid state welding. So as we are conducting the welding process in the open air, that's nothing but solid state welding. Underline that. Solid state welding, cold welding, explosive welding, friction welding, roll welding, diffusion welding, forge welding, hot pressure welding, ultrasonic welding. Say, these are all special welding processes particularly used for special type of applications. In good example for this, in spacecraft or launch vehicle, or the components used in the scanning instrument, the scanning machine. In that equipment, you cannot use other type of welding process. You use the special welding process. Next, write down thermochemical welding. This is a very, very important. So nowadays, they use the generator and electric arc welding for joining of railway track. The conventional method are 40 years or 25 years back. They use a chemical reaction that's called thermite welding. They use chemicals for joining of railway tracks. That's one good example for thermochemical welding. That's thermite welding. Next, atomic welding. Say some radiating material are used for atomic welding. So in this process, you can bring the components to the atomic level is possible. That's called atomic welding. Next, radiant beam welding or radiant energy welding. Radiant beam welding. Radiant energy welding. So this is classified into two: electronic beam welding. Next, laser beam welding. So this is the detailed classification of welding process. This is a very, very important for mechanical engineers. If anybody asks name the different welding processes, you have to answer the called solid state welding, special welding process, thermochemical, radiant energy, and the common welding processes: arc welding, gas welding, resistance welding, or common types of welding process are used in fabrication applications and many more applications. Now, I stop at this stage. All of you, please write your name and USN in the chat box and answer or call. All of you, unmute yourself. Dhanush, answer or call.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nikhil Gowda. Abhiram.
Yes, sir.
Sushant.
Yes, sir.
Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
Akshay M. Patil. Nutan.
Present, sir.
Manoj YB.
Yes, sir.
Abhilash. Manoj H.
Present, sir.
Shashank Bilagi. Harshavardhan. Dhananjay. Adil. Hemant. Prema H. Nazma Khanum.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me your name.
Sir,
Prema
Sahana.
H. Sahana, okay.
ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಕೆ ಎಸ್
ಓಕೆ. ಸಹನಾ, ನೀವು ಇದು ನೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಲೋ.
ಸಹನಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಹೆಸರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ ನೇಮು. ನಾನು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರೇಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಜೀಶನ್ ಅಹಮದ್. ನಜ್ಮಾ ಖಾನಂ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಗಣೇಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಗೌರವ್ KL. ಮಲ್ಹಾರ್ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ್. ಪವನ್ HR.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಪವನ್.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಮೋಹನ್ ರಾಜ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಜಾ ಸರ್.
Okay. Wait. Your name not yet coming into the screen. Kumaraswamy.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Sahana V.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
Mohammad Raza. Nishchit Gowda.
Friend, sir.
Nayat Sharif. Karthik AM.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Chandan RC.
Yes, sir.
Chetan AB. Atal B.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Harsha MR. Lohit Kumar.
sir.
Danush.
Yes,
Aditya.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Danush G.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Jishan Ahmad. Karthik R. Danish Bhatt. Karthik, okay ma, okay. Danish
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Riaz.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್.
Abhilash.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್.
Kritik K.
ಸರ್.
Anybody else? Please tell me your name.
Sir, Aditya.
ಸರ್ ಸುಶಾಂತ್.
Aditya. Okay. Next.
ಸುಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್.
ಮಲ್ಹಾರ್ ವಿವೇಕ್.
Malar Vivekanand. Okay. Next. Anybody else? Now I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class.